So we needed a large screwdriver to remove these piano harp screws. And I found that this tire iron works perfectly. Observe. Look at that. That one's for you, Louise. Quick tug. Oh, geez. Okay, that's kind of amusing. How these ones are notched out because they barely fit. You really gonna go? Nice. Nope. It slips out too easy. Harbor Freight 6-bit impact screwdriver set. Definitely is working. Nice. There's one. Yes. Definitely working. It worked. It feels like around here. Got it. So when I cut this other side, it just cut both of these screws already, and that's why it came up good. Maybe we could make like an enhanced whack-a-mole where the moles come down from here with the action. This is going to be a baby mobile for somebody's nursery. Look at that. There you go. Be like, wow, that's sharp. Yeah. Yeah, look at that. It came off like true truly there, truly here.
Whoops! I pushed something.
Sunk in. This should pull out in theory. Nice. Right, it is time to miter saw all these down to just what's needed. The keepers and the offcuts.
That's a little bit better.
Piano hinge. What's more appropriate? Please work. Ooh, not bad. Nice.